Welcome to another Joosup how-to video guide. If you haven't already, you can download our EV charger sharing app from the App Store and Google Play Stores completely free. And remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell to stay informed when we publish new content. So when you're ready, let's dive into today's tutorial. Finding a charger and booking a charging session in Joosup is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, log into your Joosup account. To find a charger, you have two ways to do this. You can either use the Find the Charge Point search engine from the main dashboard, or you can use the search facility found on the live map view. Let's firstly show you how to find a charger using the main dashboard view. If you want to find a charger nearest your current location, all you need to do is hit the View Nearest Charge Point link as highlighted on screen. Joosup will then display any chargers close to your proximity. If, however, you plan to travel somewhere else and want to find a charger close to your destination, you can either search by postcode or town or city name. For this demonstration, we're going to search for chargers in the town of Chigwell. As you can see, there's a number of charge points in close proximity to the searched area. Let's take a look at one by pressing on the pin icon. After pressing the pin, the map will zoom in and display a drawer at the base of the screen displaying basic information about the charger. If at first glance the charger seems suitable, you can press the drawer to reveal the full details of the charge point in question. Now you can see a lot more information about the charger. For example, the charger is listed as having covered parking, Wi-Fi availability, lighting for nighttime charging, CCTV security, as well as good access for disabled people. Further down you can see the charge point costs £3 per hour with a minimum session fee of £6. The owner has also listed details of the charger make and model with a little extra information about the parking space. If you press the parking tab as shown, you can read more information about the parking space and a little detail about local amenities. If you press the Availability tab, you can see details of the weekdays and times the charge point is available to book. This may be a very suitable charger for your planned journey, so you have a few options here. You can add the charger to your favourites to save it for later. You can even message the owner to ask a few questions you may have about the charger or the local area. And you can also view it on Google Maps to see a street view to familiarise yourself with the location. Or you can just go ahead and make the booking. So let's do that now by pressing Book Session. On the next screen, you need to decide if this is a one-time charge or if you plan to make this a recurring daily or weekly charge. For this demonstration, let's just make it a one-off charge. Next, you need to choose which vehicle you want to use for the booking. And then finally, when done, press the Check Availability button. Now you need to choose the date of your intended charging session, followed by the amount of time required, followed by the start time. Once you're happy with your selection, hit the Save button. Finally, check all the details are correct on the confirmation screen, and when you're satisfied, press the Book Session button. Now your booking request has been sent to the host for review. So all that's left to do is wait for them to approve your session to fully confirm your booking. Once you receive a notification that the host has accepted your booking, then you're all set and ready to hit the road.